Julia. I'm not sorry, Elena.
It's Elena, yeah.
Start, no?
Yeah, we can start, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good morning, everybody. This is the first event in South America, in two countries, Chile and Peru, from the Startup Network and Unicorn Battle. This is the Unicorn pitch, pitches for Peru and Chile startups that will one of you will go to the South American pitches Unicorn Battle, and then after that we'll go to the finals in Silicon Valley pitches. Here in this organization, we have venture capitals and startup partners that grow the community. And this is the first event, and we hope we will have more here in South America to strengthen our market and our startups. First, all the judges will have a couple of minutes to brief about each of you, and then we will start with the pitches with each of the startups. My name is Aldo Escanone. I am a visual judge for Unicorn Battle for 2 years, participating in events around the world. And we here locally are interested in support the startups in seed and early stage, really agnostic on technology, but we are mostly interested in fintechs and artificial intelligence and everything related to technology and to disruption, but always open to listen different kind of startups. I wish you good luck to all of you, and I hope this event will help you to have more exposure to all the world. Thank you. Lucho Barragan.
Hi Aldo, hi everybody. My name is Luis Barragan. I'm here from Lima, Peru. I am a fintech entrepreneur. I own a fintech marketplace that I have all the technology needed to build a digital bank. I am also a startup mentor, and I also have a role of angel investor in some of the fintechs I have been mentor, and I'm ready here to hear about your startups, and I wish you the best luck to all of you. Thank you.
Miel.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jose Miel Porto. I'm a partner here in Peru. I have a technology and telecommunications boutique law firm. One of our areas of expertise is venture capital. We've seen mature the venture capital market in Peru. Done mostly everything you can do with startups and incubators, and done corporate venturing, supporting our customers. I'm here as a judge today, and I will be glad to hear all of your pitches. The best of luck to all of you.
Alfredo Zamudio, you just joined us. You have a couple of minutes to introduce you as judge, please.
Yes, hello. I have to introduce myself. Sorry.
Yeah, just a couple of minutes to let all the participants know you.
Okay. My name is Alfredo Zamudio. I'm a financial and business consultant. I'm very pleased to participate in this event, and I'm ready to hear the pitch of everybody.
Thank you. I think Ratnakar, I joined late in the event. I am from India, representing India from Hyderabad, and we have been in ecosystem for more than a decade and part of Unicorn battle network for various events as a judge, and very interested to look at Chile and Peru kind of startups they're bringing on the board. And I welcome, I'm happy to meet all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ranakar. I think we are done with the judges, and now we will start with the pitches,
Hello.
Julia.
I haven't presented myself. Hello, this is Gaio.
Gaio, where are you?
I'm here. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm generally in Southeast Europe,
Yeah, now
it's like 5 p.m. Here. Nevertheless, I was really happy to be involved with your and learn more about your startup ecosystem. For the ones who haven't met me through other events that goes through Startup Network and any other event that consider startup ecosystem, in the past 5 years, I generally work with the startups as a mentor and also as an angelic investor. Aside of that, I represent a group of investors from Southeast Europe who, aside of their investments into buying attractive companies that have a business potential, they're also keen to invest into startups that have fintech, edtech, medtech, deep tech component, and of course anything else that has an innovational component that could be that can reach the growth of one unicorn. So in the past 20 years, I changed various roles in within analytics and business transformation. I'm a senior finance executive who led SME and SMB and startup organizations, doing various transformation in terms of developing and managing technology and within manufacturing companies, and also opened various branches through the ex-Yugoslav Republic countries for the companies from the West Europe. I'm currently a CFO of Fashion Union LLC, which is a leading clothing manufacturer specialized in the production of light knitwear, and we generally export to the DACH countries, to the German-speaking country. And in the past 2 years, we also started to explore the UK market. In parallel, during the last 2 years, I served as a CEO of AimCube Limited, which is a UK-based fintech startup enterprise, which developed an innovative global trading platform with an artificial intelligence overlay. Aside of that, I work within the Serbian Management Association as a CEO outside of employment and trying to attract Serbia and ex-Yugoslav republics as a market for the startups and anything that consider FMCG, telco, and IT industry. So guys, I'm looking forward to learn more about the startups that are going to present in this event, and hopefully in the future we are going to have some type of collaboration. So thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Sorry, Alejandro and Christian, you are in the. You're going to pitch, and because, yeah, Ana Aguilar
Yes,
also.
Aldo, hey, it's Gabriel. I'm also
Gabriel,
here.
where are you?
Yeah, currently based in Colombia. I think today also be a judge, right? So yeah, I just wanted to quickly introduce myself. Sorry, I don't have the camera right now, although on my side, I've been advising and investing in technology the last 7 years right now, with a focus on renewable energies and deep tech, both from the investment banking side, which is the company Mobile Your Life, and Urano Capital, the based in Luxembourg, to invest in deep technologies. Happy to be here, and good luck to the participants.
Thank you, Gabriel. Welcome to this speech. Another judge?
Hi, Aldo. Yes, so I think I'm the last one. Hi, Aldo.
Hi.
I'm Cristian Velasco. I'm from Chile. I'm managing partner of WeBoost. We are a venture capital firm. that has Latin American scope. We invest in companies at early stages to scale them through all Latin America, from Miami down, including Brazil. So we aim to create regional brands with value of scale in all Latin America. We have 8 investments in the last 10 months, so we're very active looking startups and investing in them to help scale in Latin America. So happy to take a look at what's going to be pitching here.
Perfect. I don't want to miss another job. Anna?
Yeah, so my name is Anna. I am part of an investments team at corporate VC. So our corporate VC is based in Mexico City. The company that we represent is Arca Continental. Arca is a Coca-Cola bottler for Peru, Ecuador, Mexico, Argentina, and United States. And we look for global companies in global scouting in different verticals, mainly related with the operations of the company. Fintech, retail tech, anything related with logistics and supply chain, and also water and plastic. So it's mainly that. Happy to be here.
Okay, thank you very much, Anna. Here, the rest of you are the participants, startup who are going to do the pitches. For the pitches, I just want to remember you have 3 minutes, and then you have a couple more for questions. So good luck to all of you. And we will start in the order that we have here. First, who is first here? Let's see. First one is Dronexo. No, sorry. First one is Digital Experience Solutions.
Yes, this is Pablo from Digital Experience Solution.
Go ahead,
Good morning,
Pablo.
everyone. Let me share my screen and I will start soon. Okay, I'm ready.
Go ahead.
Hello, I'm Pablo Aravena, founder of Digital Experience Solution, and a startup delivering artificial intelligence for e-commerce industry. The current problem is the conversion rate. In average, it's only 1% globally. That means 1% buy between 100 visitors, and this happens in any commerce for all the industry. It's a pandemic problem, but let me present our solution called SMART. That is an API platform to give artificial intelligence as a service for any commerce in any country for any industry to connect just a minute, and the result is to boost your conversion rate by 8 times. But let me tell you how that works. We deliver smart prices dependent on the market demand, competitor prices, stock available, customer behavior, weather, geographic location, among other variables, to sell on the right price. And that results an increase of your revenue. Besides, we give you automatically the personalized offer or promotion that is a key aspect to show a unique offer to your customer depending on their preference and likes, improving the customer loyalty. Our magic is just creating an enriched customer profile and cross the information of the buyer behavior with the right product or bundle to present on the right moment on the fly. And our business opportunity is huge. First, we don't have competitors in Latin America, and we are one of the 5 most promising startups working in this area globally. Our TAM is $27 trillion expected for 2027, and our SAM is $1 billion this year. Our market growth rate is 14.7% for the next year. Our business model is just a monthly subscription and pay as you go, and our market target are big and medium companies. Our business plan is simple: grow in US, UK, and Dubai, and year over year escalate our revenue to reach 100 million in 2026. Our team is formed by 3 founders and 5 employees. We are experts creating artificial intelligence and cloud application in global companies and payment gateway industry, and we have the best mentors supporting us. Digital Experience Solution is a company based in Delaware, US, and Santiago of Chile. Our key partners are AWS, Stripe, and Silicon Valley Bank. We were selected by Startup Chile, and a few months ago, we were nominated by Premio 2021 and selected by Discovery Aid. We want to change the way to sell online. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now we are open to questions from the judges, please, if you have one.
Hi, Pablo. I like your presentation. Hi, it's short and direct with all the information that are generally of our interest. I haven't seen about your competition. I mean, can you elaborate more? What is your differentiation strategy in terms of competition, and who are your direct competitors? And also, can you get back, I mean, when you answer this first question on your financial forecasts, you know, can you support it with your go-to-market strategy and elaborate more about your business model as well? Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you for your question.
You're welcome.
The first one, in terms of competition, we have identified 5 startups globally. One is working in Israel, another one is working in New York, and another one is working in Europe. But I think the best differentiation with us is that they are promoting personalized offer only in one case. Another case, they are delivering only smart prices. But our big differentiation is that we are bringing together smart prices with a personalized offer together. That is
your differentiation, your differentiator, main differentiator.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
The second was about your financial forecast. Can you elaborate more how you're going to achieve the your planning within your forecast?
Okay. When we start the first year, we heavily develop on research and development to develop our solution. Actually, we start developing 34 MVPs with different approach to try to find the right answer. And our immediately goal, it was to reach our break-even. That actually we reached our break-even about 2 months ago. And after that, we are able to sell our solution in any country, in any continent, and we are planning to start in US, get some customer there, and after that, open and continue with UK and Dubai.
Are you going to do that directly or with the support of your strategic partner, if you have such something?
Yeah, that is a good question. We are onboarding the customer directly. When we present our solution for the companies, we are having a great reception, especially for the head of sale of the company, and we have immediately the meetings. And our business model is a monthly subscription and pay as you go. And our average ticket is $10,000 per customer. And actually, we deploy our solution in one country for one US company. And if we expand our solution for another countries on the same customer, we can quickly grow up our revenue. That is the main business plan that we have, in a few lines.
Thank you very much for your comprehensive answer. Looking forward to interact. All the best.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alfredo, I will unmute you. Alfredo, you are muted.
Yeah.
Aldo, can you unmute him?
Okay.
No.
Okay,
I'm asking him to unmute. Yeah.
First, congratulations, because it's a nice business. I want to know, how have you calculated the ARR and MRR for the next few years? In the projections and financial projections.
Yeah.
The monthly revenues.
Yeah, actually, today we have an ARR of $120,000. That is represent an MRR of 10,000. And how to calculate is the same that all the companies in the world calculate on the same way with the monthly subscription. If we capture new customer delivering our service, of course, we will increase our MRR. I don't know if I mean.
Okay. It's right. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. There are no more questions. We'll continue with the next participant.
Thank you.
Okay, I think it's me, Agromatch, the second one.
Yes, Agromatch, go ahead.
Excellent. Thank you very much. And really nice to meet you all. Let's just share the screen. Can you see my screen? Sure, perfect. Great. Well, okay, well, hi everyone. My name is Francisco Astaburuaga. I am one of the co-founders and CEO of Agromatch, the online platform for agricultural machinery. So we started Agromatch in 2018 in Chile, based on these two big problems that we identify in the industry. First, the really low use that is given to the agricultural machinery. It's estimated that 60% of the year, these machines are stopped without generating any value. This is 7 months in a year with stopped machines. On the other hand, you have really high investments for only seasonal use. I mean, to buy a tractor of $30,000 plus all the operational costs that involves, just to use it 2 months in a year doesn't make sense financially. And that is the reality of a lot of farmers here in Latin America. So this brings us the opportunity to connect machinery owners with idle capacity with farmers that needs to rent these machines. Considering also that the high seasons of use of this machinery changes between the type of crop and the area of the agriculture. So based on all this, Agromatch is born as the platform that connects demand and supply of agro machinery. Our business model starts with the match, where we connect both sides. Our average ticket is around $1,000 per month per machine. Then we coordinate the supervision in order to make sure that the machine leaves and returns in the same condition. And we also provide all the operation behind rental, including the transportation of the machines and the technical support in case of any failure. All this with a 30% commission per transaction. So basically what we did was to solve the biggest problems in the traditional rental business. First, we created digital channels, 100% digital channels, which allows to have really low fixed costs. Then we created an internal platform with a lot of automatization behind that allow us to scale this business model and coordinate between 50 and 100 rentals in parallel with only one executive behind. And finally, the focus in data that is giving us a lot of visibility on how the industry is moving around all the territory and in real time. We also developed a full IoT platform that allows to give an extraordinary added value to the leasers and lessees of this platform and help us to break this barrier of mistrust between agriculture and machinery owner. So 2021, we closed with $1 million in sales, almost $1 million in sales, to be honest, and 200 B2B customers, most of them big and recognized agricultural companies here in Chile. So thank you very much. I think I skipped one, but basically, I think I skipped one slide, but our team is composed by 10 professionals between engineers of the agriculture backgrounds and IoT backgrounds that have managed to do this great match between technology and the real needs of the farming industry. So we believe that is the actual key of AgroMatch. So that is my pitch. There's a lot of projects and things to tell you, but I'll leave you my email, and I'm happy to answer any questions if you have. Thank you.
Excellent, Francisco. Thank you. We now will be open to questions, and I will take the chance to be the first one. I appreciate your idea, and it's really a disruption in that area. One thing that I'm curious is that normally you have different seasoning the usage of the machinery, and also you have all of them wanting a machinery at the same time. How do you get the base of all the different equipment that you are distributing? Sometimes you need more than the requested machinery, or not?
Yeah, we definitely have a high season of use that here in Chile starts in November and ends in March. But there are some different types of crops and different areas start or earlier or later in the year. So this allows us to make this rotation between farmers and, for example, bring the tractors that are being used in the north of Chile to the south at the end of the season, and in that way make it increase the usability of these machines just a couple of months in the year.
Excellent idea. Gallo, you next.
Thank you, Aldo. Francisco, great presentation. Agriculture is always in demand. Like your solution. Nevertheless, I would like to be short as possible. My question is concerned about if you receive money, if you raise the money, how are you going to spend it? Is it on business development, marketing, and in what stage is your product currently? You definitely passed MVP. Are you going to work on some updates on improving the functionality of your product? And additionally, would like to know, since I have seen that you have accomplished a couple of incubation and exploration programs, what value did they brought on the table in terms of financial support, raising, product development, and mentorship as well? Thank you.
Thank you for the question, Gallo.
You're welcome.
At the moment, we have been bootstrapping this solution for 4 years. We haven't received any external investment besides some public funds that sums are around $150,000. We are preparing a round this year, our first pre-seed round, to expand our reach, the areas that we are working on. Currently, we're just working in some specific places in Chile, and what we are trying to do, and what we would do with the money, as you said, would be to expand to other regions, create small ecosystems in different regions in order to optimize the use of the machinery locally first, and then introduce these local communities into the national network of rental. So we have our plan to keep expanding in Chile during this year, and we already have some trips to Mexico to implement this solution there, which there's a lot of a great market fit, and the size of the market is huge.
But as far as the incubation program, I think it's on that was left. What kind of support you get from them?
Yeah, well, mostly about networking. It has been great. They have connected us with a lot of potential, how do you say, partners. And we have managed to develop this network of partners involved in the machinery industry that allow us to put everything in one place and offer that to our customers.
Thank you Thank you very much for your answer.
Thank you, Gallo. Gabriel, go ahead.
Wow, Francisco, congratulations, great startup. I just have a quick question. Do you have in your technology, in your startup, a way to detect which lands or regions are more needed of your solution? I mean, obviously, as much as you can connect, the better, but I was curious on how are you depending to connect the farmers and lands and machinery is purely on marketing and that they have to onboard with you, or you have a way to detect the need in a specific region?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if that makes sense,
Yeah. Well, we started first with just digital marketing, and the response was amazing. I mean, we are receiving more requests than we can handle, actually.
Right.
So the big challenge here was to raise supply, to recruit machinery owners that would like to put their machines in our platform. So for that, we have launched a program of ambassadors in different regions in order to recruit machinery owners locally, put them in the platform and coordinate all the technology part. So most of the farmers and a lot of the farmers are not so fancy with technology. So these ambassadors help them to connect these two parts.
So the issue has been mostly the supply, and you are tackling that with the ambassador, right, program?
Right. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay. Okay, great. Thank you.
Alfredo, we need to follow up, and I don't know if you can do the question internally. And
okay.
I'm sure you will be the next asking the question for the next startup.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, everyone. Great question.
Thank you. Excellent. Now it's turn of Bridger Lab.
Okay, I'm here. Can you hear me? Can you hear me okay? Hello? Hello? Oh.
Yes, it's okay.
Yes, we can hear
perfect.
you. Yes.
Okay, sorry. Well, just 1 second, please. All right. Here I am. Okay. Hi, I'm George. You know about products online, right? And like me, you probably had more bad experiences than good ones. And we understand how frustrating that can be for clients and businesses. According to TopTop research, 88% of customers cite a bad UX as the reason why they do not return to buy. And only 1% say they're satisfied. As a result, 70% of online businesses fail. The problem? The lack of a customer-centric view of the business. Disconnected system and unsatisfied buyers can doom any venture at any time. Meet Bridger Lab, the all-in-one customer experience management suite for your e-commerce business. A solution built to overcome in an easy, fast, and affordable way, connecting all major systems, but always placing the client first. We integrate with most ERPs, POS, CRMs, e-commerce platforms, and marketplaces through our integration center that allows business to offer a unique omnichannel UX. Enrich, transform, and deliver your product's feed to all channels with our product information manager and give those hungry customers the information they want and they need. Never miss a delivery deadline again with our fulfillment center, track all statuses and deliveries in just one place. In addition, Bridger Brain data reporting allows companies to make omnichannel data-driven decisions. Businesses lose billions of dollars every year due to poor UX. Fortunately, these losses are curable and open to opportunity for us. How huge? Well, there are 288,000 e-commerce sites with revenues between $500,000 and $500,000 and $5 million in LATAM, US, and Europe. Yes, we have competitors, but they're all single task. They're awesome at one thing. Our approach is different. Bridger is focused on the customer experience and put in one platform all of those tools to give companies an unified and omnichannel view of their business. We are, as a platform as a service, we make money in 3 ways: onboarding fees, monthly fees, and special development. We assemble a team of industry leaders to build and grow Bridger. I bring 7 years of experience in e-commerce and digital strategy. Bianca has a proven experience in innovation focused on operational efficiency. Luis Miguel has been working with Odoo ERP and integration projects like Premier in Italy. And Lito adds experience in finance for retail SaaS companies. We already found a market for our MVP, which had generated $60,000 in revenue already. And now we need to raise capital to fish platform and begin selling at the earliest. Our Bridger prototype 2.0 is already finito. Okay, just a comment. We are among the 50 finalists on South Summit from over 1,000 startups, so we are ready to roll. Bridger boosts revenues by increasing customer experience, improving retention, and creating an omni-channel environment. Thank you very much. Hello?
I have a question.
Yes.
Jorge,
yes.
How does the marketing strategy works? For example, if you consider marketing metrics like marketing ROI, customer lifetime value, customer equity, or that kind of metrics.
Sure. Let me explain. First of all, our go-to-market, we have a 4-way plan. We have, for example, Magento Enterprise has asked us for an exclusivity for 1 year, for example. So we enter the e-commerce platforms marketplaces. We will not take it because they're asking for exclusivity. We want to be with Vitex, Magento, and all the platforms marketplaces. That's one way. The other ones we'll do. We have a partner program with ERP resellers and marketing agencies. And the last one is, of course, our own sales funnel, marketing, etc. And yes, we do have our strategy is focused on bringing higher MRR, monthly revenue, because we are a SaaS. So, and we're B2B. So we charge $750 for each client, more or less. So we have a high ticket. We're a high ticket company.
Thank you, Jorge. I have a question from Gabriel.
Yes. Hello, Gabriel.
No, I'm fine. Thank you. Great presentation. I was kind of like, you want to guide us a little bit on how you plan to do your exit strategy. Might be too early right now, but how's your, how you envision that eventually?
Yes, we have our MVP is ready and it's been working with a big retailer here in Peru that has over 80 retail stores and in e-commerce sites with a lot of sales. So our MVP is ready. So what we're doing now is coming here and going to South Summit and we're having conversations with different investors to raise the capital and finish the platform and going to market. Our 2022 goal is low. We're just 23 sales for this year because we know we will start selling in the 4th quarter of the year.
Great, thank you.
Sure.
Thank you, excellent, Jorge. And so now we will move to the next startup is Chatigo. Chatigo.
Yes. I need to be able to share the screen, but
let me stop 1 second.
Yes.
Let me stop my just in case.
Yes. Thank you, Jorge.
Yes, got it.
There you go.
Yeah, thanks.
Screen, yes. Okay. Good morning. I'm Alejandro Fosk from Chatigo. As social media becomes the main communication channel today between business and clients, some challenges arise. 32% of customers stop doing business with brands they love after only one negative digital experience. Also, 90% of customers expect an immediate response to their support questions in digital channels, while only 12% of shoppers feel that the online experience is satisfactory. This is why the main areas of growth in contact centers are web chat, instant messaging, and chatbot. Chatigo is addressing this problem, providing a solution to total customer engagement. We have developed an omni-channel SaaS platform that integrates, controls, and enhances customer communications. Also, Chatigo's proprietary chatbots use artificial intelligence, machine learning, and neurolinguistic programming tools to take the customer experience to the next level.
Hace 3 semanas me pidieron nuevo requerimiento.
Okay, thank you. We currently service more than 550 clients in 20 countries across Latin America. Our client base is spread across verticals such as retail, finance, insurance, and health sectors. Basically, any B2C company that wants to excel in customer experience is a potential client of ours. Over 22 million unique users have interacted with our platform over time. The market potential for our services is huge, 2.3 billion only in the markets that we're currently serving, while total addressable market is over 36 billion according to Markets and Markets. Chatigo has grown threefold in the past 2 years from gross revenues of only 1.4 million in 2019 to 4.2 million in 2021, achieving a significant milestone of exceeding 5 million in ARR in 2021. We're a very good example of the definition of bootstrapped. With a total funding of only 1.5 million, we have been able to deliver all of these results that I just mentioned. Our cloud-based platform is fully developed, and we're looking to scale up and expand our global presence. We are raising a Series A round to fund our expansion into Brazil, India, the US, and Europe, and also to develop our chatbot marketplace and the conversational commerce solution. We have secured half of the funding already and are looking forward to meet all of you and share our plans. If you'd like to learn more, please let's connect after this presentation. Many thanks.
Congratulations.
Perfect. Thank you. Now, if you have any questions, judges.
Aldo Ratnakar here from India. Hi, can you see me?
Yes, Ratnakar, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. I think it's a very good presentation, and what I see, conversational AI in India also grown big, and many of our companies are also going to US. You said it's a drag and drop. How different it is from the regular conversational AI people are using outside with regard to the competitors is concerned?
So I would say that the main focus of Chatigo software is the human agent, and that was the core of the solution. However, as you mentioned, the chatbots are today a commodity. We have a very strong development team, and we develop a very easy to use drag and drop chatbot that basically allows the clients to implement the service in 1 or 2 days. So that's a very easy to use solution.
Okay, because we invested in 2 of the companies called Gyani.ai, which is a chatbot again, and The Yantra is another company. But I see some uniqueness is that I will try to reach out, Alejandro. I'll reach out to you and we'll connect more and take it forward.
Thanks. Thank you.
Since you're looking India as one of the ways to enter into India.
Yes, definitely. We want to enter to India. We're in early conversations with 2 Indian companies as resellers and one white labeling, which is one of the the go-to-market strategies or the growth strategies is use white labeling as well. So I can give you more detail when we speak one-on-one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Aldo, I think you're on mute.
Yeah, I was mute. Thank you. I just before we continue. I want to remember the judges to vote. They can change the vote at the end if you need it, but please go start voting. We need to, as soon as we end with the last participant, we will we declare the winner. Okay, so let's continue, please, with the next participant, and it is the next one is Dronexo.
Hi, good day. Do you hear me, Phil? I'm Pablo from Dronexo team. You hear me, Phil? Yes?
Yeah,
Yes, we hear you.
We see it. We can see it. Thank you.
Okay.
Go ahead, Pablo.
Hello, welcome to Dronexo. We integrate the world. Our potential consumers will be pharmacies, health centers, and laboratories. Peru is danger because there are 45,000 business closing in 2020, and there are more than 2 billion unemployed. Now, the 8 or the 10 companies relate in 110 companies increase their productive in 2021, and the target is 2021 in the pharmacy and 2024 in the gastronomic sector. So in Peru, generated $6 million in 2021 only in the e-commerce, on only this part in 12%, and the company sold the trust in the internet. The problem that we have identified will be lacking efficiency in sales volume and speed shipping on the pharmacological products, and the PayPal one is delivery time or effectiveness in the customer service, or the PayPal 3 the no purchase. So how is the solution? The Dronexo focus in B2B model with a confusing outsourcing system for the edge company. And this is our solution. Dronexo logistics company have to use B2B or B2C on the mobile app supporting between the consumers on suppliers. And when this affects. The benefits one is speed of delivery. Benefit two, no risk in the contention. Or the benefit three, the shipping safety of the products with the companies. When this is product or the Patriot 28, a payload of the 6 kilograms or total. Autonomy is up to 100 meals with the resistance of the average and yachts, and the default decreasing experience in the 100% per hour. Is a product on technology that happen the call center or drone, and the benefits of personalization of care and efficient technical support in 24 hours in another total day on simple consumer interaction, increase the sales volume and integration with life. Because how right now in 2021 Peru has billion people because online, or 2025 the growth e-commerce in Peru will be on 10,000% on current shipping errors in actually, or the following on delivery date on the person was not presented time delivery, on error in integrity and quality on the product reserve, on very high shipping costs, and lack in receipt check. holistic business model, business logistics and B2B outsourcing model, and will be required a monthly fee on the long-term and rental Dronexo drone fleet and technical support in 24 hours of the day. So welcome, Guillermo, co-founder of the brand.
Okay, Pablo, we have 3 minutes of presentation. Now we need to ask you some questions from the judges to continue.
Okay,
Okay, so judges, this is a drone company. So if you have some questions, please go ahead. Okay, Pablo. I think we are going to catch you at the end of the presentation. Yes. Let's continue with the next participant, and is AIO sensor.
Hi, this is Gerson.
We can hear you.
Okay.
Gerson?
Yes.
You're okay.
Okay. I use sensors. The industry of mining and chemical plants, there are economic losses due to unestimated faults. In pumps, there are losses of 200% of active or asset with in equipment replace or corrective service. Currently, to predict state-of-the-art prototype industrial equipment, there are temporal measurement or real-time measurement. The other competitors are Hydro and iAlert, or the new startup Traction. So our solution is a sensor non-invasive in the pump, and to connect with the cloud of Amazon Web Service with machine learning and artificial intelligence and analytics, send pulse to mobile app. There are three screens of show the list of equipment, the trends, and the notification of fault. The solution can increase the lifetime of assets, increase the quality of life of operators, and less the waste. We will raise the 45% of the fifth year of $2.5 million. The business model is annual subscription, $70 per sensor, and the cost of sensor is $200. Raise the 45% of the revenue, about $1 million. The team is diversified. I'm Gerson, and CEO, Mechatronics Engineer, MBA. Toshi is a Master in Mechatronics. Rizal is part in Artificial Intelligence, and other people are part in vibrations, system program, and innovation. The objective is raise 20% of the America from total of $80 million. We are in conversation with mining company with Cerro Verde, Chinalco, Nexa Resources, Jamarquilla, and we are spotted by Innovesan and Vibrason, company of analytics of vibration. AI sensor increase company profitability, predicting state of health of prototype industrial requirements. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Pablo. And this is an interesting solution that you have for the mining companies here in Peru and also Chile, though two countries with the mining industry at the top level. So the judges, if you have any question for them? No? Okay, Anna, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. So my question is mainly about the cost of the sensor. What are the plans that you have in order to load that price and adapt? Sometimes, I mean, for many companies, it's easier when you have low costs and when you can lease the sensor. So what are the plans that you have?
Okay, the costs are rise at about $200 per sensor, and analytics is $70 per annual. But the complication or the problem with us is the certification of mining companies required, like IP 77 or 67 or UL certification, because we need subventions, or we need a fund to raise this certification.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Gerson, Anna. So we will continue with the next participant. It's Time Jobs.
Hello, I will share my screen. Please, wait me 1 second. Can you see the pitch?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. My name is Jose Manuel Barros. I am from the Patagonia in Chile. Okay. And we are leading the staffing on demand industry, becoming the social network that connects employees with part-time workers looking for immediate jobs. We have presence in all of Chile, in all of Peru. We're in 20 cities in Peru, in Quito, Guayaquil, in all of Colombia, and in Guadalajara, Ciudad de Mexico, and Monterrey. The co-founders is me. I am a serial entrepreneur. I have the degree in administration in the University of Chile. Also have a master's degree in business creation. And I have been in 2 exits in Chilean companies. It's Eduardo Guerrero. Eduardo Guerrero is the co-founder. He is a professional in administration too. He is expert in taxation, and he have formed 2 companies in financial services, and now he's the chairman of the board. Also, he's a serial entrepreneur, and he's a just also a serial entrepreneur that have founded Gabriel Weil and Jim Vodka of the Patagonian too, and he's the founder of Time Jobs. He's in the operational stage of Time Jobs. Well, I will use an example that I always say in the pitches. I will talk about Walmart. Walmart is always with problem because they are receiving e-commerce orders every day, but a different amount of orders. In the Monday they have 12 orders. In Fridays they have 2,000 orders. So they can't have a fixed team, okay? Because they will be losing productivity in the days that they are low orders, and they will be losing a lot of orders in the days they have a maximum quantity of orders. So they need a little timing because they need to have the people in 24 hours. They have a high cost because they need to be contracting and quitting people every day, and they have low flexibility because they don't have the available to be changing the workforce every day. Okay, and the jobber problematic. The jobber is the workers that now jobbers. Sorry, this is in English. That is in Spanish. Sorry, is that they are working every day, but they don't want to work in the same structures as the past. They want to have a balance of lifestyles and work. Okay, they are students, they are immigrants, they are unemployed, they are retirees, and they also have self-employees or lone wolves. Okay, and the solution is Time Jobs. In Time Jobs, there is an app that works with more than 1,700 people in Latin America that they can register. They can do some inductions. They can learn about the work that they will do, and they can work the day that they want, at the hour that they want, and when they want. Okay, so they have top flexibility in their work, and they also can learn about the works they will be doing. They can learn about picking some products in Walmart. They can learn about to work in the storage of Falabella, etc. Okay. And the solution for jobbers is that they can have the lifestyles and then the work, so they can choose when to work. Okay, they are students. Also, they told them, and the gig economy can have them the big solution of work wherever they want. That's such a trending topic in the world today. We have competitors like Subale, Shipone, Adecco, Randstad, but our service is go on demand. You can have a jobber working in your company in less than 6 hours, and also with high flexibility. We can give them for 6 hours, 4 hours, or 2 months. Okay, and also with a lot of technical skills that you will learn in the platform. Okay, with intelligence, artificial, etc. Our financial results is that we have been growing in the past 3 years to have a GMV in the past year of 30 million. Okay, with an EBITDA of that you can see in the 2021 we invested a lot in technology, so we have an EBITDA of 1.5 million down. Okay, but we want to scale. We want to go big. We want to reach 200 million in sales in 3 more years. How we will do it? Going to the markets of Mexico, USA, and Colombia. That we are starting there. Also, we have a social impact because we help the jobbers in the day-to-day businesses. We can access them to formal labor credits, to pay their financial systems, and also to contribute to their health and pension. Okay, we are working with Vita Wallet, so they can send outside of the country their money, because the 50% of our jobbers work they are immigrants. Also, we have Connecta that they can give them psychological solutions. We use Lana.
Okay, the time is over. I'm sorry. Let's start Q&A session.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we can ask a few questions to him also. If any, Josh, Anna, please go ahead.
Great. Yeah, thank you. So, for example, how do you deal with the regulations for subcontractors and outsourcing, especially, for example, in Mexico, there's a big issue here happening.
Oh,
so
yeah, Mexico.
What are the strategies you are following?
Well, in Mexico, we have the REP certification. We do outsourcing because outsourcing is prohibited in Mexico. But if you have the REP, okay, you can do outsourcing with the non-core outsourcing. So, for example, a company that is a financial company need a outsourcing for cleaning their offices, we can do it. It's the non-core outsourcing. Well, and we are in all the countries with all of the compliance with a team of lawyers.
Right now, what is the acquisition cost you have for the jobbers or the
acquisition cost is like $13. Sorry.
Okay. And what is the retention rate you're having for
7 months, and the lifetime value of a jobber is like $300.
Okay, thank you very much, Ana. Jose Manuel,
any more questions?
Thank you for your presentation.
Okay.
Now, let's continue. The next one is Escalab, who want to hack our future.
Hello, I'm Claudio from Escalab. I'm gonna share my screen. Can you see it?
Yes, go ahead, Claudio.
Okay, great. Well, I'm Claudio from Santiago de Chile. I'm one of the founders of Escalab, and we're a market network ad tech. So what's the problem? Well, billions of dollars are lost in the region because companies have problems finding well-prepared talents in the IT area. The pandemic situation accelerated the digital transformation, and there will be a deficit of 3.5 million talents in Latam and 10.5 million globally. So what's the solution? Well, in Escalab, we believe we can hack the unemployment and change the life of thousands of people through education and the help of technology. That's why we're creating a platform that trains and connects tech talents with company recruiters in the most efficient way. What's our value proposal? Well, we create learning path based on data from the market. We listen what companies are needing in talent using big data, and people skills in our platform, certifying their skill with a SaaS solution and get access to our market network where recruiters from all over the world can find them. How does it work? Well, in one side, we have the talents that goes through an assessment and follows a path where they then get access to our marketplace of talents. And in the other side, we have the recruiters who goes to our database and search for this talent and hopefully make a match of one of our candidates. In our business model, we have a B2C model where people only pay $40 a month for training that goes from 3 to 9 months. And we have a B2B model where companies and recruiters pay around $300 to get access to our database and the talents that are in our platform. Well, there's a $16 billion market around the world. And our competitors, well, our differentiation, we think we're building a fair generator edtech platform where we take care of all the journey of the student and make the search for certified talents much more efficient for companies because we provide better talents and in a shorter time. So this is our traction. We started at the end of 2020. We have 17.8K users and 1.8K clients. We have made 257K in revenue, and we have all made this through bootstrapping. We had a free grant from the government of 80K ending the 2021. So in our roadmap, we're launching our app web 2.0, where we have our subscription model with a learning path. And well, this year we're looking for raising capital to build our market network and hopefully grow through Latin America, and at the end of 26 goes to USA. We have, we're very happy for our results. 75% of our students have doubled their salary in the less than 20 months, 82% of students recommend our programs, our learning programs. And well, hopefully we think that their life has improved. So we have like 1,800 of escaladores in Hispanic America. Most of them are in Chile, but we're growing in Latin America, in Peru, Colombia, Mexico, and also Spain. Our founders, well, we have Pablo Ruz, who is a specialist in artificial intelligence. Daniel Drum, who's
Sorry,
an
the time
expert
is
in
over.
marketing.
Thank you so much.
Okay, and me, Claudio, where I'm one of the founders. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Claudio. Great, you completed that just in time. Now it's open to questions for the judges, please. Let me know. Okay, no questions? Everything was clear. Let's continue and then, Claudio, and I think great presentation, and I see that you have a lot of potential here in the region. I saw different platforms, but no one coming from this side of the continent. And you have a nice proposal, quite different.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
The last final participant is Big Commerce. And at the end of this presentation and questions, the judges will have 1 minute to complete the votes. And Elena will tell us what is the final result. Go ahead, Big Commerce. Claudio, can you quit your presentation, please?
Actually, I didn't my presentation, so if there is a space.
Yes.
Aldo?
Yeah, go ahead.
No, yes, like I'm Neuro Group, and you mentioned other company. I'm the last one.
Neuro Group. Yes, go ahead, please. Sorry, Juan. Neuro Group. Go ahead, Nicolas.
Okay. Okay. 1 second. Okay, you can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. So I will start. Welcome, everyone. We are Neuro Group, and we present Kinesics. I am Nicolas, founder and CEO. I am a specialist, neurological physical therapist, a specialist in virtual reality. The big problem over here is the impact of a stroke on a global scale. This is the case of one of my best friends who suffered a stroke when he was 30. He looked happy in the picture, but he lost the mobility of half of his body. Actually, 70% of this population present hands disability. Just imagine typing on your phone or dressing yourself every day with one hand. That's why we create Kinesics, an engaging VR therapeutic solution for stroke rehabilitation. We create an immersive 3D simulation of real life, where you can train your brain and specific body motion by doing realistic and meaningful tasks of the daily life. We can increase the motivation, the attention, and the compliance of the treatment, but specifically, we increase the relearning process of motor skills, faster, easier, and safer. And at the same time, we can track the patient performance with objective metrics. With Kinesics, we want to improve conventional rehabilitation that first present a lack of specialized and qualified professionals, a lack to access to specialized therapy is tedious, expensive, and location dependent. And normally one professional can treat one patient per hour. With Kinesics, we want to increase the efficiency of the rehab services where one professional can treat 4 patients per hour. This is based in the sweet maturity of the new VR headsets without cables and with a high resolution. And of course, in the pre-design of our VR therapy. We know our competitors, and most of them are based only in gamification, doing cartoon therapy. We integrate the most advanced immersive technology with all the neurological evidence-based data available that confirm that VR can increase the brain activity. Our business model is simple. We are a B2B software as a service, and we offer to healthcare providers an annual subscription license. And with this, they can access our digital therapeutic gallery. And in the future, with the full software, we want to take a commission per VR session. Our market size is based in Spain, where we start, Canada, where we are now, and United States, where we want to scale. And from here, we want to take just a 5% of the market from Canada. We are looking for 1.5 million to improve our alpha product, develop our full software, and go for the commercialization. We are a complementary team, where in one side is Leandro Palmieri, who is specialist in VR programming, and the other side, Benjamin, that is a specialist in research. I am Nicolas, thank you very much, and we are here to impact the life of millions of people. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nicolas. Great presentation.
Thank you.
So, judges, you have some questions to Nicolas?
About the human capital, you consider it, the participation about it, the group in a fixed expensive or variable expensive?
Sorry, can you repeat again the question?
Yes. How do you consider the human capital resource, the team, no?
Yes.
In the way you consider it in a fixed expensive or expenses or variable expenses?
No, it's a fixed expensive. Basically, we want to have we have two verticals in the team, and one is the VR people, VR programmer, and the others are the physical therapist, the specialist in research and neurological. But the idea is create our team for so the expenses basically
go together, no? For the
exactly.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, guys. Okay, thank you very much. That was the final participant, and I really appreciate your effort. And those are quite different startups, different areas, and I wish you the best. So now Lena is calculating, computing the vote. Lena, can you explain us what is next?
So judges have just 1 minute to finish voting. After that, Aldo, I will send you the results in the chat and you will announce the winner. Thank you. So judges, you have 1 minute to finish voting.
Okay, thanks. So we have 1 minute to know. And can you explain us, Lena, taking that minute, what is next for the participant, the startup who passed to the final? Where is he going? Or
the winner, after the announce of the winner, I will explain. Okay. Dear judges, please finish your voting.
Yes, already voted.
Okay.
So Aldo, please start from third place, announce us the winners of today, first 3 place for today, and who is the winner. I have sent you the results in our chat. Do you hear me?
Yes. Here we have the final result, and the winner of this event is AgroMatch. Congratulations, AgroMatch. Francisco.
Congratulations, guys. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
In the second and third place, we have a Chatigo digital experience solution. Let us know, Lena, what is next for them.
So the winner of today's event is AgroMatch. Okay, so guys, you will take part in our nearest unicorn battle in America, and we will contact you personally and send you all the details. Thank you very much, and congratulations again. Dialdo, thank you so much for the great hosting.
Yeah, thank you very much to all of them. We have a network, and so we will contact you and all the judges and VCs to follow up. Thank you very much.
The judges, thank you for your attention and for voting.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
See you in Thank our you very next much, event. and congratulations to the winner.
Bye. Gracias, José.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Gracias.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much.
Bye.